Hello, Brian Fluff here today, and today I'll be showing you how to make one of these. They're just a little storage container. You see, I have a ping pong ball, and it has quite a nice amount of room inside. And you can hold fish hooks, airsoft BBs, hooks, I already said that, weights, building materials, nuts, bolts, whatever you want. So what you will need is a water bottle, a cap for a water bottle, if you want to have a cap on yours, and, well, a craft knife, a pencil or a Sharpie, and a ping pong ball! Yay! Looks like the moon. No, looks more like the sun. But, okay, what you need to start out to do is, take off your bottle cap, and then just trace it on a circle on the top of the ping pong ball. You see, just like that, and then you cut out that circle. Then next what you're going to do after you've done this is you're going to cut the top off of your water bottle. You see, you should cut it about a bit higher than that line. That way when you stick this in, it should be able to fit over it without being able to go through. So it should fit just over it. You want to put a little bit of glue, then just stick it down. What I did was I cut off one like this, and then I'll just snip it down to size. So then, after you're done that, it should just, once you've glued it down, it should just look just like this. So, and then you are done with this. Brian Fluff, signing out.